Hey guys, welcome back to Tosh Kicks. Thank you for joining me. I've got this incredible video to share with you guys today. And this actual video is I'm going to dedicate it to every single person watching this video, every single person that's subscribed to this video, every single person that's ever supported me on my journey. This video is dedicated to you, and I'll tell you for why in a minute. But yeah, so thank you before I tell you what's there. So what I have for you today is a shoe in this very special box. I know it's a brown box, but this shoe has some serious significance to me. I can't wait to share that with you. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. As you guys well know, this year for me, I got my Grail for my wife, which is the Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott, which is this beautiful shoe. This is the one I did with Fragment. I know there's part 2 coming up, right? So you know I got this shoe. This is not about this shoe this year, but I have a list of 5 Grails, and I haven't really talked about it. I think some of you might know what it is, but I've got 5 Grails, right? And so number 1, my wife got for me. This one, I'm going to dedicate this to you guys because you guys got this for me, and let me explain that. So StockX reached out to me to say, we like what you're doing, again, because of you guys, of the numbers we're doing, the views, the comments, the subscription. They reach out to me and say, I like what you're doing, do you want to work with us? And I said, yeah, of course. And they gave me credit to buy a pair of shoes, right? And obviously the credit's within a certain limit. And for me, I was like, you know what, there's only one shoe I've ever wanted, and I couldn't believe the price, and I went after it, and this is this shoe in this box. And I tell you what, the only reason StockX came to me in any shape or form because of you guys. So thank you so much for helping me get my second Grail. Thank you so much for bringing me close to my dreams. And I've always loved shoes, and you guys are just always supporting and commenting. What I will promise you is I would work tirelessly to keep doing these videos, to keep bringing the Grails to you, to keep doing giveaways and sharing everything I have with you guys. So thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. Anyway, let's get into it. This is my second Grail. I'm going to knock them off as I get them. So you know what the first Grail is the second Grail. Let's get into the box. Trusted knife. I'm going to be extra careful with this one because I don't want to touch the box. So now, this shoe, because of the controversy around it, never quite got the love it deserved. Never quite got the accolade it deserves. I just got a snippet of the box. Never quite got the love it deserved. Never quite got the accolade it deserved, just because of the fact that it was a lot of controversy around the release. So let me get into it, and I'll explain it as I go along. Oh my God, T-bolt. I've opened the box again upside down. But there you go. Bush. Do you guys know what this is? This is my second Grail. I love this shoe so much. If you're not aware what this is obviously a Jordan 1 box in this beautiful blue. And you can see the stars from the side to the side to the side. And you must know you're looking at something special if I'm guessing this much. Right, so this is the Air Jordan 1, which is obviously my favorite shoe of all time, favorite silhouette of all time. And yes, let's keep going. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG SP. So it's a special project, so obviously usually a collaboration. Whew, let's go into it. So yeah, I'm gonna lift the lid up. Lid comes off. Look at that. Look at the box. You know you're looking at something special. Air Jordan trophy rooms. Whew, I wanted this shoe so bad, boy. You get a little ticket like for the game, and then you got the brown paper, pretty basic paper, nothing special. Anyway, let's try and do it from here. Whew, this is Air Jordan 1 Trophy Room Chicago. This shoe obviously released to some serious controversy because apparently it was backed up to the hilt and all that kind of stuff. And people were so upset that, you know, they couldn't get the shoe, and you know, it was crazy. Michael Jordan's son, if you're not aware, who owns Trophy Room, had to come in and defend the fact that he didn't backdoor, and people say he did, and yeah, it was all one big mess. But it doesn't stop this shoe for reselling for like £5,000 when it first came out, then it's £2,000. I didn't pay that much for this, to be fair. Anyway, so let me go through the shoe quickly. So you got the icy bottom there, as you can see. You got the 3 stars, 2 stars. You got a blue star and a red star, which is obviously representing the All-Star game. This icy sole is looking crisp. We'll look out for my capsule video, right? Because this shoe is going to be the first shoe I'm going to put in the capsule pouch. The video is coming, so I'm going to put this in there because I need to preserve the shoe. We've got the sail midsole, which feels really nice, as you can see. You've got the stitch there as well. and then you get to when the magic starts to happen. You've got the leather, which feels really nice here in the mid panel there in white. It's actually quite white because if compared to the Resell, it's more white. You've got the small, it's not a massive swoosh, but you've got the black swoosh, it looks crisp. And then you get to the magic. I don't know what material this is, but this is really shiny. And it looks like the Chicago is fully frozen out as well, as you can see. It looks frozen, I can't lie to you, that shiny effect. Don't know if the camera's doing it justice, but it's really shiny. It's like a 3M, not 3M, you know those rulers you have as a kid that you turn it one way, turn it the two different characters come out. That's kind of material it feels like. Onto the toe box, let me just do a press test. You can see the leather quality is undeniable. It's really, really cool. And that kind of follows the shoe around onto this side as well. Yeah, so you can see this really shiny. You can see how shiny this is. It looks really shiny, but anyway, it still makes the shoe look crisper. And on the back of the heel there, you got the MJ signature looking sexy. Again, a frozen out piece as well. And the tongue is obviously a classic Jordan 1 tongue, which is, as you can see, Nike Air there. Nothing long there as well. And this says February 10th, 1985. And the rumor has it. You know that Adele song, rumor has it? Because the rumor has it in there. Let's have a look at the insole itself. Air Jordan trophy rooms. I think it's sealed down, to be fair. I don't want to wreck the shoe. But you can see, look at the insole there. It's got obviously a special insole with a little medallion type emblem in there that literally says Air Jordan trophy rooms. So you got two laces there, or do you? Is it a third lace? You got the red lace, you got the white lace, you got the black lace as well. And on the tongue here, you got 2274 of 12,000. Only 12,000 pairs was made, and this pair is a 2274. What that means is, guess what, guys? It's the friends and family pair. Blue laces, friends and family, StockX, and I'm really grateful. And yeah, the other side of the shoe, the other foot, sorry, should I say, exactly the same thing. You got the MJ there, you got the ISIS sole there, as you can see. Really, really cool. And obviously I took the laces off so you can't see it, and then that's it. So yeah, all in, guys, I've got a question for you. Do you put the red laces on? Do you put the white laces on? Or do you leave the black one on? Or do you fully flex on them and put the blue laces on? Let me know, answer in the comment, what would you do? Or more importantly, what do you think I'm gonna do? If you know me that well, and me subscribing for such a long time, what would you think I would do? I'm pretty sure this will fit true to size. I wear size 11 in Air Jordan 1s, and yeah, so I would say go to your size. How would you style this as well? Obviously, I've got my Chicago's here. This has to take someone's spot, for sure. I mean, this is a shoe that I've waited for such a long time. So Katrina got me my first Grail, and you guys got me my second Grail. So thank you so much. Thanks StockX for sending those across to me. I'm gonna put my link in there. I got storefront and StockX coming as well, so you can see some of my favorites. I'm gonna create some of my favorite shoes, the kind of shoes I think you should mess with, the shoes you shouldn't mess with. And yeah, so if you keep supporting me, that's great. If you do buy anything from any of my links on StockX, right? Send me a message on Instagram and I'll send you something special. Maybe like a Crep Protect wipe or something. But I'll send you something, right? Just to say thank you for supporting the channel, because that's one of the ways you do that. So I'm going to use my Crep Protect on this, and I'm going to put it in my capsule pouch. I'm going to seal that, and then we're going to keep this shoe for whenever I'm doing a sneaker event or meet and greet, when I feel the need to fully flex. That being said, there's only one way to flex this shoe, is with the blue laces. So this blue lace is going on this shoe, so if you see any on feet, it'll be with blue laces, I promise you that. StockX, thanks for sending that to me. I appreciate you so much. The subscribers, the people that leave comments. Percy, I see you. You always commented. T-Bolt, I see you too. William, K-Rec, all those guys showing me love all the time. These are my diehard subscribers who was always commenting, always adding stuff. Guys, I want to make you a promise today. If you send me a comment on my channel, I will always reply. I won't just give you a little like, I'll put everything in reply as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for supporting. I love you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself, and God bless.